how to turn Notion pages into image blocks. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Notion pages into beautiful image blocks using the gallery view. Let's get started. First, head over to Notion, and log in. For a quick login, choose Continue with Google and select your account. Once you're in, open the page where you want to add image blocks. In a text box, type /gallery and select Gallery View from the list. Now that your gallery is created, click on the three dots at the top right of the gallery block and choose Layout. Under Layout, find Card Preview and set it to Page Cover. This tells Notion to use each page's cover image in the gallery. Next, click into any page in the gallery, then click Add Cover at the top. Pick an image that fits your page's theme. That's what will appear in the gallery. Repeat this for each page in your gallery view to create a stunning visual overview of your content. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Notion pages into image blocks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips. Thanks for watching.